Hello there, my name's Kophi. I'm the Hyundai technician working on this vehicle. I'd like to show you some items on the health check today. Suspension on the near side front. The passenger front is all in green and tyre depths on 5.8mm, 6mm, 5.8. This shows a green item, legally retired being 1.6. These are above. Offside front suspension, the driver's front all in green and the tyre depths on 5.9mm, 5.8. 6mm. This will show up as a green item. The exhaust to the rear of the vehicle all in green. Offside rear suspension all in green today, and the tyre depths 6.5mm, 6.2, 6.7. This will show up as a green item. Near side rear suspension all in green, and the tyre depths 6.4, 6.7, 6.6. This will show up as a green item. Sending the vehicle to the midway point, we can inspect the front and rear brakes. The offside front outer brake pad is 5% worn, 95% remaining. This will show up as a green item alongside the front brake disc. There's no pit or corrosion and no lip to the disc. These are all in green. And the offside rear brake pad is 5% worn again, 95% remaining. This will show up as a green item. And the disc, there's no pit or corrosion or lip to the disc. These will show up as a green item on the health check. And sending the vehicle all the way down to the ground, we can inspect underneath the bonnet. Go underneath the bonnet. If you can see here, the top coolant hose is leaking. So this will show up as a red item on the health check. I do recommend this is replaced today. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for choosing Bristol Street Motors. Service advisor and contact you shortly.